How to transfer money from Dave to Cash app. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Dave to Cash app. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. First things first, you wanna open up your Dave account on the Dave app. Then you wanna simply you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Head into the accounts option at the bottom. And here under accounts, you should find the option that says transfer, add funds, and find ATM down below. Simply tap on the transfer tab or transfer option. Once you have done so, you'll get this pop-up from below that says transfer to. Under it, you'll get the option to transfer via debit card, transfer via account, another app, and send a check option. Under another app, you can see the option Venmo, Cash App, and others. Tap on another app, then select Cash App and enter in your Cash App credentials. Review the details, follow the prompts, and you'll be able to transfer. This is how you can transfer money from Dave to Cash app. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.